Maiden Castle is often said to be Britain and Europe's largest hill fort, dating from the Neolithic to the Iron Age. At 914 metres long, that's about as long as 10 football pitches. Impressive, yes. But is it really Britain's largest hill fort? Just 20 miles to the north, there is said to be a much larger Iron Age hill fort. And it's called Ham Hill. It is over 80 hectares in area, compared with the 44 hectares recorded for Maiden Castle. Ham Hill's fortified perimeter is 3 miles or 5 kilometres long, which makes this probably Britain's largest Iron Age hill fort by area. The 80 plus hectares within the perimeter defences is marked here in red. Join us for a flight around Ham Hill Iron Age Hill Fort. Starting at the northernmost point, we fly clockwise around the perimeter. Ham Hill is a prominent landmark in the southern Somerset countryside. It is a geological site of special scientific interest, or an SSI, a scheduled ancient monument, an Iron Age hill fort, a Roman site, and a local nature reserve and country park. Although partially covered, the double banks and ditches below are massive. Most of the huge banks and ditches are now covered by trees and shrubs. The Prince of Wales Public House, and there are not many hill forts containing public houses. Strip lynches. We are looking at medieval or even Iron Age field markings. The perimeter banks and ditches are surrounded on all sides by such field systems. This hilltop has witnessed centuries of human activity from the Neolithic age to the Middle Ages. Archaeological discoveries here reveal a rich tapestry of life, work, and settlement over thousands of years. The Iron Age hill fort was captured by the Roman commander Vespasian in 45 AD. Vespasian then built a temporary camp over the hill fort, and later a villa was built. Our research drew a blank when we looked into this mysterious circular feature. The hill fort's southeast entrance, where a modern road still utilises the older hill fort entrance. The strip lynches are even more pronounced here on the southern side, where a lost medieval village lies below. A working quarry. Hamstone is a unique, soft, highly venerated limestone and has been quarried here for centuries. Many local buildings are constructed from the honey-coloured hamstone, and many buildings in the surrounding area as well as further afield have been built with hamstone. The entire western flank of the Ham Hill Plateau is riddled with old quarry workings. But quarrying has unearthed many important historical artefacts, but also destroyed much of the archaeological context. Ham Hill Country Park is popular for picnicking, walking and mountain biking in the grassy hollows of the old quarry works. War Memorial. Modern stone circle and amphitheatre. You can see stunning views from this prominent location overlooking the Somerset Levels. From here, it is not too difficult to imagine the time of our ancestors and the daily life of a living, fortified community. Ham Hill Iron Age Hillfort. Could it really be Britain's largest hill fort? Returning briefly to the question of Maiden Castle with its undoubtedly formidable defences. Maiden Castle is not the largest British hill fort by a long shot. This LiDAR image with both hill forts shown to scale demonstrates the difference in sizes. So, do you think that this could be Britain's largest hill fort? Maybe you have other thoughts. If so, let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, subscribe, press the bell notification icon, share and look out for further content on Dronescaping Britain's YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.